Tesla Giga Berlin construction site has a new drone flight regulation. A few days ago, I reported that the drone flight ban was lifted at the construction site of the Tesla Giga Berlin factory. The police had told me, my local friend Jurgen, that the drone ban was due to a special police operation at the Giga Berlin site. However, today there is a new drone update and change of regulation, and I'm going to tell you about that. Welcome back, dear friends and subscribers. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and ring the bell not to miss my next Giga Berlin update later today about Tesla's office hours. Please also like this video to show your appreciation of all the people who send us reports from the local area daily and send us updates daily from Giga Berlin construction site in Grünheide to help us to bring these reports to you from Germany. Yesterday, my friend Jurgen, who tweets at GF4 Tesla Twitter handle, went to Tesla's Giga Berlin construction site to make a new drone video update and compare it with his December 2019 drone video. He wanted to show us how much has changed at the Tesla's Berlin factory site since December 2019. Basically, how much change there has been since December 2019, how the work of constructing the Gigafactory 4 has progressed. However, he was stopped by the police and was forbidden to make a drone video. The police told him that the local mayor has issued a drone ban for the entire construction site. Jurgen was not aware of this. Then my other friend, who tweets at handle Gigafactory_4, commented and told us the following. He told us that he talked to the regulatory office in Grünheide. For those of you who are new here, Grünheide is the local municipality which has the jurisdiction over Tesla's Giga Berlin construction site. In other words, the Tesla factory in Berlin is actually in a small city, Grünheide, outside of Berlin. So my friends talked to Grünheide drone regulatory office, which told him that there is a new added rule to drone flights over the Giga Berlin construction site. Pay attention, this is added rule. Listen carefully, this is an added rule. The only added rule is that drone operators should keep a distance of 100 meters to the Gigafactory 4 site. All other existing rules still continue to exist. The other existing rules are the following. First, don't fly over the Gigafactory area. Second, keep 100-meter distance to the highway. Third, don't fly higher than 50 meters. There are probably some other more rules, but these are the main ones. The conclusion is this. Drones cannot fly closer to 100 meters to the Tesla Giga Berlin. I'm not even talking about flying over the construction site. No closer than 100 meters. If there are future drone news updates, they will be from a 100-meter distance and no higher than 50 meters high. But then, a Twitter user, Matthias Hake, shared a link and writes that, I quote, according to German drone regulators, you are allowed to fly 100 meters high, end of the quote. I don't know if the Grünheide regulators have the 50-meter rule only specifically for the Giga Berlin, or is that the rule over the entire Germany for drone flights. Then our friends on Twitter were looking to build a map with a radius of 100 meters from the Gigafactory 4, so they know which are the areas they can use to send us future updates. Tobias Lind, who often comments here and actively writes about Gigafactory on Twitter, quickly created one map using the Google Map, which I'm about to share with you here. So take a look at this map, and also I will add one of Jurgen's latest drone flights after the map, which he sent last Friday. Enjoy this, friends. Please subscribe to this channel and like this video. Let's continue to discuss in the comments below. Look for another Giga Berlin update about Tesla's office hours in Grünheide in order to answer people's questions. Please like this video to show your appreciation to all the local people who work very hard and tirelessly, who helped me to prepare these new updates from Giga Berlin and bring it to you. Have a blessed rest of the day, and we'll see you in the next video.